Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tutorials to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to add your credit card to Payzapp in 2025. Payzapp is that handy app from HDFC Bank that lets you manage payments, bills, and more on the go. Whether you're new to it or just need a quick refresh, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Payzapp app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your App Store, download it, and log in with your existing HDFC Bank credentials or sign up if you're new. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. Look for the Cards or Payments section. It's usually right at the top or in the menu. Tap on that to get started. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Card or something similar. Go ahead and click on it. Now, this is where you enter your credit card details. Type in your card number, the expiry date, and the CVV code carefully. Don't worry, the app uses secure encryption to keep your info safe. After that, you might need to add your name as it appears on the card and select the card type if prompted. Once everything's filled out, hit the Verify or Add button. Payzapp may send a one-time password, OTP, to your registered mobile number for extra security. Enter that when it pops up. After verification, your card should be linked successfully. You'll get a confirmation message on screen. And just like that, you're all set. Now you can use your credit card for quick payments, recharges, or even shopping within the app. Remember, always double-check your details to avoid any errors, and if you run into issues, the Payzapp help section has great resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.